Welcome to Top Cars TV. The 2026 Lexus Luxury Motorhome represents a bold leap forward in redefining what it means to travel in comfort, sophistication, and innovation. Known for its mastery of refined automobiles, Lexus has taken its expertise in premium craftsmanship and applied it to the world of motorhomes, creating a vehicle that blends high-end luxury with adventurous practicality. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a mobile luxury suite designed for those who want to experience the open road without compromising on elegance or technology. From the outside, the Lexus Luxury Motorhome carries the brand's unmistakable design language: sharp yet graceful lines, a commanding presence, and a sleek aerodynamic silhouette that reduces drag while maintaining an impressive stature on highways. Subtle chrome accents, adaptive LED lighting, and bold alloy wheels elevate its road presence. Lexus has also prioritized efficiency, integrating hybrid powertrain options and advanced battery technology, ensuring not only lower emissions but also silent, smooth cruising for long-distance journeys. Step inside, and the cabin redefines expectations of a motorhome. The interior feels like a five-star hotel suite, featuring handcrafted leather seating, sustainable wood trims, and customizable ambient lighting. Every detail has been thoughtfully curated, from plush carpeting to panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light and breathtaking views. The open concept layout offers seamless transitions between the driver's cockpit, living lounge, kitchen, and sleeping quarters. The lounge area includes reclining massage chairs and an entertainment system with immersive surround sound, perfect for unwinding after a long day on the road. The kitchen is equally impressive, equipped with smart appliances such as an induction cooktop, convection oven, and temperature-controlled storage. Lexus has embraced the concept of intelligent living, so many features are voice-activated or can be managed through the brand's integrated app, allowing owners to control lighting, climate, and entertainment effortlessly. The master bedroom features a king-size memory foam bed with adaptive comfort technology, ensuring restful sleep regardless of the terrain outside. A spa-inspired bathroom with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and touchless fixtures further sets the standard for luxury travel. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Lexus Luxury Motorhome. The cockpit is equipped with an advanced driver assistance system, offering semi-autonomous driving capabilities for safe highway cruising. A heads-up display, AI navigation assistant, and real-time traffic updates keep drivers informed and confident on the road. The motorhome also integrates renewable energy solutions, including rooftop solar panels that supplement power needs for extended off-grid living. Fast charging capabilities and high-capacity battery storage ensure freedom to explore without constant reliance on traditional fuel stations. Lexus has also considered connectivity and sustainability. The motorhome comes with satellite internet, 5G capability, and multiple charging stations for devices, making it ideal for digital nomads. Sustainable materials have been used wherever possible, ensuring that luxury doesn't come at the expense of environmental responsibility. The 2026 Lexus Luxury Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of lifestyle. It offers the perfect balance between road trip adventure and luxury living, appealing to those who demand more than just mobility. They demand comfort, exclusivity, and innovation. With this groundbreaking model, Lexus has truly elevated the art of travel, making every journey as unforgettable as the destination itself.